Hi everybody, my name is Chef Kanchan. I'm from George Brown College in Toronto, Canada, and I was asked to come here to Chitkara University to come and teach the students. I've been cooking for around close to 30 years and traveled all over the world. I really love food, I love students. It's a great career, there's a job everywhere. It just depends on you as a person, how much you want it and how hard you want to work. It completely depends on you. So it's been brilliant so far, and the journey is still going on. And talking about Chitkara, I mean, I'm really blown away with the people, the food, the whole faculty has been amazing, the admin team, everybody's talking about the student success. That's what we do in Toronto. It all starts with the student learning. Students are having a great opportunity to become a great chef, and we follow it up when they come to Toronto. And keep it simple, and that's it. Use a lot of people use their brains. You can also use this when you're cooking. I think it's so important. So you're tasting food, somebody's going to eat it, and it's such a fabulous profession. And just want to tell the students, it's a new generation. They are going to take the torch. They're going to take care of the place, take care of this profession. Just be honest and work hard. Make a lot of mistakes. Oh my God, make mistakes, learn from it and move on. That's how life works. And just keep it simple, be nice, be kind, and just smile and help everybody. Thank you.